guys, it's me. I'm Paula Julian Cerebral. So today guys, please subscribe to the channel. So today guys, let's learn how to speak Tagalog and Ilocano. Okay, I'm gonna use my phone. Okay, first Tagalog. Maraming salamat po. Maraming salamat po. Feeling good at this guys. Next, Ilocano. Papanamita. Papanamita, beshi. Sakit, jak amo papanam. Kaano ka? Kit mayat na ako. Grade mon? Mo kit di. Ay malinis. Salamat. Ang sarap. Anong grade mo na? Yung grade ko ay grade 2. Maraming salamat po. At mahal ka. Bye guys, we learn Tagalog and Ilocano. Wait for part 2. So guys, bye.